Still managing company assets the old-fashioned way? How much time do you spend manually using Excel? Managing assets can be very complicated and very time-consuming. With Activo, asset management will be easier and faster. Provided with various features such as asset tracking, depreciation calculation, preventive and corrective maintenance, inventory management, and already supports RFID technology. We also help you provide data tagging service, data migration service, customization and integration services between systems. We are here with a wide selection of product schemes, on-premise, private cloud and software as a service. So, do you still choose the conventional way? Switch to Activo now. Activo, manage assets more easily in one hand.